Hello viewers, today I have brought a video for you all that is Paint 3D for beginners. This is part 1 of the video. Paint 3D is a software with various tools which are used for making drawings, logos, scenes, and these tools are quite easy to use. Paint 3D can also be used for teaching art. Let's learn how to use Paint 3D. For that, you can take any picture. Right click on that picture and open with Paint 3D. The option will come over here in the dialog box. The other way is type in the search bar Paint 3D. It will automatically come and you can open it. You can see we are getting two options over here, new and open. Click on the new as we don't have any other file which can be opened right now. So now you can see this is the window which is of Paint 3D. So now I will be telling you about the tools which are available in Paint 3D. First is the topmost toolbar which is having brushes icon. So brushes is having different types of brush. You can see we can click different types of pointers are there, even pencil tool. Here the eraser is there. You can increase this width of this by using this slider and you can erase whatever you have done. Then crayon is also there to give a crayon color texture. Then spray can use for giving spray effect. And then is a fill. If any closed figure is there which you can take from the 2D shape, at that particular time we can use any of the option from the brushes, like this bucket tool is there and it can be used to color. You can see. If you want to erase that also, it can also be erased. Now you have seen the 2D shapes also. The third option is 3D shapes. This is a extensive option which is available in only Paint 3D, not in MS Paint or Simply Paint. You can see it gives a 3D effect picture which can be used anywhere to make any type of stickers, or it can be rotated also. You can take any other 3D shape also. You can see. Now you will ask which type of 3D image this is. So we can click on this 3D view to get the 3D image texture, exactly how it looks like. You can see the grid appears. Slowly and gradually I will tell you more in detail about all these. You can see we are having text option also. Text option is also available in two ways, 2D and 3D text. And the formatting options are also on the right hand side. Then coming to the effect, which is the background effect, that is also given in various forms. And this light wheel also give the variety of color textures which are available in Paint 3D. So you can increase or decrease the lightness of the colors as per your choice. Now this is our canvas from which we can increase or decrease the canvas size also. Then next comes the 3D library. 3D library is the collection of all the objects which are in 3D. Let's say I'm taking some animals. So here you can see any animal which you want to take. Click on it. It may take few seconds to load, and you can see here the image has been dragged over here, and it can be placed wherever we like it. So in this video, I am just telling you what tools are available and how we are placing them. The rest things I will be describing in the next video. You can color this object, or you can say the 3D object which you have taken. I have taken one animal, so I can recolor this using this added color toolbar. And you can see the color is changed. If you want to do undo, you can do Control plus Z. The same shortcut keys are working here also. So this is the introductory part of Paint 3D. Now viewers, I will tell you how to use Paint 3D using an already image which is there on your desktop. Right click on that image and open with Paint 3D. Let's extract that image from the picture. As you can see here, I am having Winnie the Pooh. So I just want this Winnie the Pooh to be dragged and kept somewhere else. For this, I am having Magic selected. And you can see the crop handles are available. Select this, and you can see I'm just checking out the portion which I want. Click on the next on the right hand side, and you can see one outline is appearing here. This means that this portion of the image is selected. Click on done. Why it is inverted? Because just after done I have clicked again on the rotate and flip tool on the right hand side. You can see that, and see this portion of the image can be utilized anywhere. You can control and use and paste it wherever you want. For Control plus Z, the big figure is there. Viewers, you can see on the topmost toolbar after 3D shape there is one more option, that is stickers. Stickers are of different types available in Paint 3D. See, you can have the emojis of different types of stickers, like I have taken this one, and you can very well recognize it that these types of stickers are generally used for minions, and we can create a minion image also. Similarly, we are having different types of stickers for other things also. For deleting even, you are having a pretty good option. Click on the delete key and it will be done. Similarly, you are having other stickers. Textures are also there, which can be used as stickers, and you can add on your customized stickers also. This is the tool which is externally available over here. Crop feature that you all are aware of. Portion of the image which we want to crop, we can use that. But personally, I like Magic Select more than this crop feature. This Magic Select tool, this I like the most because it extracts the image from a particular background and we can utilize it further. So by this I complete the part 1 of the video. Hope you like it. Watch for the second part. Like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.